Hi, Dylan here from K72.com. Today I'm going to show you the steps that are involved in just getting the FreeRace software off the website onto your computer. So we're not going to go through using FreeRace at all at this point. It's just the beginning, bare bones basics of how do I get my hands on the software, how do I get it set up on my computer. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to K72.com, but not the regular website. The beta site is where the FreeRace software is hosted at the moment. So you can see that up here. If you look in close, beta.k72.com, that's the website you need to go to get your FreeRace software at the moment. So when you come to the home page here, you'll see a menu item that says FreeRace. If you hop into there, we've got some basic information in here about what is FreeRace. There's a link to a video, stuff like that, and the rules, the basic rules of how FreeRace runs. Over the right hand side here, you've got the resources, and download is what we're going to do today, but you'll notice that registration is required in order to download the software. Now, it doesn't cost anything to register, it's just signing up for the website, that's all. So that's going to be real handy into the future, and it's necessary in order to purchase licenses. So what we'll do is I'll quickly run through a registration process and you can see what's involved in that. So here we go. Registering is up here. Click to register, the little person icon. We'll click on there. Okay, so we're in the registration part of the site. Note here that registration is verified, so once you sign in here, once you create this information here, then it's going to send you an email and you need to click the link. It's a pretty common process. So what I need you to do is, first of all, your username is what your login name is going to be when you're logging onto the website. So I'll just go Dylan K72 for this test user, and a password, and confirm. Display name is how your name appears to other users of the website, so I might just put something like that in, and we want an email address, so put in this one. There's a code to type in, and we're registered. Okay, now until you click that link in your email, you're going to see a banner like this appear on the page. I'm logged in automatically by the process of registering, but it's telling me I'm using an unverified account. So now I'm going to go to the email and see if I can find that. That should come through straight away. So let's have a look. I'll go over to my email off screen and see if I can find. And I've got an email here that looks like this. So it says, Dear Big Bad Dylan, we are pleased to advise that you have been added as a registered user to K72 Speed Locker. Please read the following information carefully, blah blah blah. Here's the website address, there's the login name, and this link here completes the verified registration. So click on that link. Now if you have any trouble with this link not working, or any issues with not being able to go through the registration process for any reason, just feel free to get onto me at any time, and I'll assist you with that, because it's all stuff that can be done from this end as well. And we can go ahead and stick that over to one side, and I'll come back into IE over here, refresh this screen. And so you can see now I'm logged in, and everything's good. The next time you log in, you're liable to be asked to put in some more information into your profile. And I can see I'm logged in because up here it's got my public name, my display name. I can click in here and edit that profile information anytime I want. So, moving on down to FreeRace, if we just hover over the FreeRace menu, we can jump straight into download here. So I'm clicking on download. And in here is going to be the download for the latest version of FreeRace Master software. Now, if you're not registered, if you're not logged in when you come to this page, it will ask you to log in first. I recommend, before you're running any event, just come in here, check out the latest releases, because we do release this fairly frequently, and grab the latest version. So I'm going to click on here to download the latest version. And that's asking me to save this zip file, freeracemaster.zip, and I'm going to stick that into my scratch folder here, freeracemaster.zip. Okay, that's going to take a couple of minutes to download. Okay, that download's finished now. We're going to go open the folder that that file's in and have a look at that. Here it is. So the zip file is there. I do suggest that you right click and click properties and unblock it. It'll just stop it asking you for any security information when you get in there. You open that up, there's 3 files in there, and we can just extract them all. So the easiest thing to do is just go on up to the toolbar up here and click extract, hit extract all, and that's just going to put them into this folder here, and we're going to tick show extracted files when complete, and we have that there. Now, readme.txt will contain any last minute important information. It contains contact information for us and other useful information. One thing it does say is you should run the setup.exe. That will ensure that any prerequisites that are required for the FreeRace software are installed from the web. So you should install FreeRace Master by double-clicking on setup.exe. So we'll do that now. It's going to ask about these, do you accept these license terms? These are prerequisites for the software, so if you don't accept this, then it won't install. We click accept. And it goes through a brief process of downloading some files and setting them up, and then the installation proper will continue. Yep. Okay, now here's the setup wizard itself. So we're just going to go straight on through and take all the defaults for this. There's no dramas with doing that. And that's it. Software is now installed on the computer. Take a look at the next video in the series to find out how to run a FreeRace.